Hello, Tarot Tube. This is probably going to be a rather short video for a Happy Meal. I had ordered from Danny Mystic, Witch in the Wild on Etsy, charm set, and I thought I would just do a sort of unboxing. Actually, it was in an envelope. I took it out of the envelope first so you wouldn't have to watch all the messy stuff. So here's what we've got. This looks like an invoice. Let me just open this off camera. It is, but I'll show you the message. She says, "Thank you so much, Linda. I hope you love them. Sending much hearts. Loves, Danny." So that's nice. It's always nice when you get a little personal message. And it is wrapped very sweetly with this thank you message and a little washi tape on the back. There. So these charms come in a charm bag that she imprints. Yeah, I think that's probably the right word. But she imprints charms, so we know what it is. And it also comes with a little spread thing. And I have an idea of what I'm going to do with these. I'm thinking that I'm going to get an art book and both make my own as well as put in the ones that I get from other creators. So hers has self, advice, spirit, love, home, finance, travel, and health. And I'm not sure, I mean, I guess you could do it this way or this way. I'm sort of looking at the elements. So it wouldn't work that way, but it would work this way or this way. And she did write, "Please don't bend," but they did bend it a little bit. That's why I'm thinking I'm going to put this in an art journal. So imagine something, let me see, I think I can grab something. So take a look at that. So those are the different areas. Here we go. I've got something right here. So this one actually has stuff in it, but it's a spiral band, which I liked because that would be opening up, right? So this could open up. This is for an art class I took once upon a time. So I might take those pages out and just make a dedicated book that I could have different mats and designs for my charm spreads, or mats. I'm not sure what the word is now. All right, so let's take a look at the charms that I picked. So I did get to see on her Etsy website, she did have a couple of photos so you could see all the different charms you were going to get. But let's go ahead and look at all of them. There's a lot, right? So this one, I am not sure what this is supposed to be. It sort of reminds me of an Italian horn, but really I don't know. I just don't know. And we have a little scallop shell, and this one's got some pink enamel. That's very pretty. And a Buddha head. Focus. Maybe I should just keep my hand up here. Hamsa. That's pretty with the little blue butterfly. And a ship's helm. No, that's not right. The steering wheel for a ship. Well, at least I know what this is. This is an anchor. So there's a couple that make me think of Lenormand things. A key. Oh, look at the owl. He's so cute. Very cute, that owl. And little hat. So I will say, as we're looking through these, so if you get one of these sets from Danny, they're not all going to be the same, right? So every set has a different assortment of charms. You can't say yours is going to be this. Oh, it's a mermaid, but she's from the back. Cute. Took me a minute. Stork, got another Lenormand type. Cross. So this is interesting. I'm not sure if I'm going to read these. I think I won't read these with Lenormand readings. I think I'll do something else. Cherries. What's next? Palm tree. with coconuts. Nice leaf. I sort of like these ones that have got, so it's an, you know, it's an assortment of gold and things that have enamel, so that gives it a little more color than just a single metallic color. Watermelon. Daisy. There we go. Is that a hand grenade? I think it is. I think it's a hand grenade. Whoa. Okay then. So on this side I'm like, is that a really funny grin with teeth? No. It's a claw, a lobster claw. Or a crawfish, since it came from Louisiana. Yeah, unicorn. Had to be one of those, right? Dolphin. Carrot. Crown. So I'm not keeping count, but I feel like I've got a pretty good number. Pineapple, that was one of the ones I really liked, the idea of having a pineapple. 4-leaf clover. Little ballerina. Reminds me of a charm I had on an actual real charm bracelet when I was a kid. A whale. Boy, did I love charm bracelets. Oh, I loved them. And what is this? This is a, I'm not sure. So it's got a cross, but has all this other stuff. I don't know what's on the other side. It sort of looks like a religious medal, but that's going to take some studying. That's going to take a microscope to figure that one out. No, just a magnifying glass. Hopefully we'll do it. Ladybug. Here's another one. Would be funny. Depends on which side you see it. If it's a smile here, but if you look at it like that, it looks like a sand dollar. Depends on how it falls, I guess. Saturn. I suppose you could read it as any planet, I suppose. A heart. So it's like it's a drop shape. It's with some stained glass, but that red in the middle seems like you could read it like a heart, you know, like some kind of heartbreak, crying tears of blood or something like that. That sounds really gruesome, but you know, I would certainly read that probably in a sad way. Tree, maybe tree of life. What is this? Just a plain old horse, not a unicorn, horse. And a turtle, hello turtle. And a starfish. And then there's one more thing. It kind of got stuck in here. Let's see if I can poke it out. There we go. So that is just a bead, I'm thinking. Although I might tell myself it's a drum. I kind of like calling it a drum. All right. So let's see what it would look like if I just, let's see, come on, get in the bag, get in the bag. So I have this little spoon that I use that I got from Salem. It's my little Salem Witch City spoon that I can use for scooping a couple charms. So let's just do one. I'm not going to read it, but I'll leave it for you and you can read it if you like. Well, okay, here we go. So Allie went off, altogether off, but we'll call Al being in that element. I got a key in health, an anchor in home, dolphin in finance, and this watermelon, it's kind of just outside travel. Let's call it in. And the owl, maybe, I don't know what the owl is telling us there. Wands. Owl is telling us be creative, I guess. Think of something creative. Anyhow, if you have an interpretation for this, feel free to leave it below. You know the drill. If you like this video, boom, hit the like button. It improves your algorithm of getting things in feed that you like. If you'd like more content like this, hit the subscribe. And if you want to get notifications, ding, hit the bell. Thanks for coming by. I hope you find something beautiful that makes you smile in your day today. like getting this in the mail made me smile. Take care. Bye-bye.